Welcome to Shree Vidyut Corporation, manufacturer and supplier of HT and LT control panels. The company was established in 2012 at Vijayawada. Our stringent quality control measures help us to achieve an enviable position in the industry. Our cutting-edge technology and market-leading prices help us to serve Shree International and Supreme Casting. Lighting distribution boards, circuit breaker panels, and transformer spare parts are offered by us. We are engaged in offering APFC and MCC panels. We manufacture a wide variety of PCC panel and bus ducts. Our LT and HT panel that manufactured as per the given client specifications. Power and lighting distribution boards are well known for their reliability. Along with that, we offer circuit breaker panels and transformer spare parts. To get the best deal, log on at www.shreevidyutcorporation.com.